In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up training budgets for your employees or different groups of employees in Lanteria's fabulous learning management module. This is done through the settings. It's actually very nifty the way this works. So we want to go down to the learning module and go to training, and we're just going to click on budget allocation. So what you can see here is that we've actually got 3 different budgets set up. So employees can dynamically have different budgets allocated based on the criteria. So what I'll do is open an existing one here, and we'll drill into that a little bit. So firstly, you can see here that they give it a title, the period of time, the amount, the currency if you're multinational. And here's where you can actually target it dynamically at different employees. Now, bear in mind that unlike some other parts of the system, this is an actual or. So in other words, if an employee fits any of these or, it's not an and statement. So in other words, it's not just for employees in China which are, in this learning group and of this job level. Just something to note. So let's just say we're going to give all employees in Australia a $1,200 budget. We just select the period, we select the amount, the currency, and I've just said countries Australia. There's heaps of other criteria there that you can use. You might just do it for full-time and part-time employees, for example, or you might just do it for a particular company within your organization. Pretty straightforward. So that will automatically allocate to an employee then. Now, you can look at this for an individual employee. So if I wanted to go and have a look for an individual employee, what their training budget looks like, I could just search for them and open up, say, Alex. All right, we'll open up Alex record and we'll go into the learning tab and we'll go to training budget. So you can see here that he has a training budget within this period, so a quarterly training budget of 2,500 Kiwi dollars. And you can see here, these are the courses that he's done during that period, total amount spent and the amount left over. And if you are in a multinational business, obviously it can handle different currencies and convert them back to your base currency. Now, if we wanted to look at training budget to actual on a larger scale, that's easily done through reports. So you go to Report Center and you go to the learning module, and like with everything in Lanteria, we can reconfigure this so you can actually make these options. You can link directly to these from here if you want to as well. That's for another topic. So just the first one, training budget report. And what we'll do is you choose the date. So today is fine, and I'll click on view, and that's going to show me for all the different employees. So you can see here, for example, Alex, who we just used. This is the same information, but this is actually for all the different employees. And as always, we can use these different filters to actually filter, say, maybe just by a company or by a particular business unit or a country. And of course, again, we can always export those to Excel, Word, or PDF if you'd like to do some further manipulation or share them externally. And that's how you manage employee training budgets in Lanteria HR. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you got something out of it, go ahead and click on the like button now. And if you'd like to learn more about how to get the most out of Lanteria, or you'd like to stay on top of the constant product updates that are being put out, go ahead and subscribe to our channel.